People have paved the way far enough to where it's like, okay, I can see where the road goes. I can see where the trail goes, but I don't quite know what the next turn is gonna be. And that excites me. To not only be able to chart the course there, but also to perhaps lay down the foundation or the map for others to come forward. It's exciting to walk into lab every day and not know what is gonna hit me. I'm Ken Prentice. I'm the Vice President of Process and Product Development at Shape Therapeutics. I'm responsible for putting together the payload and the AAV capsid into a product that we can deliver to a patient for a therapeutic outcome. The current process is called triple transient transfection. For any AAV, it requires all three plasmids to be inserted into the cell, and there is a very specific ratio that have to get into any given cell to make a good virus. The challenges with the industry standard right now are at a larger scale or manufacturing scale. Every time you run this process, you can get a different result. The better we can do on our side in order to have a clean and consistent product. It not only saves the patients money, but it also brings with it a consistency and a safety that, they're gonna get the dose they need to elicit the response they need and hopefully cure their disease. At Shape, what we've created is a stable producer cell line. We've actually used our genetic engineering tool set to engineer those elements into the genome of the cells we use to produce the virus. And so that means that every cell, every time, has all of the elements necessary in order to make our AAV. We're able to insert the elements in and then individually isolate the best producing cell. Because we're working with cells that have all of the elements introduced into their genome, and we've isolated the monoclonal cell line, every time we run it, we have a consistency that comes along for the ride. I love biking. It's something that I'm passionate about and have been passionate about as long as I can remember. At this point in my life, I've rode thousands and thousands of miles. There is an element of unknown. Whether it's, hey, is this trail gonna be closed today? Am I gonna have to find a different route than I thought I had? Or is it a new place that I've never ridden before? And it's the same thing in work here. We're pioneering what we do in the stable cell line. There's nobody else that has a system like us and nobody else that is working in the environment that we're working in. My love and my inspiration comes from sort of looking farther out and looking at broader applications and broader impact.